Hi there, and welcome to the New Eyes tutorial for the voucher program. We're here to teach you how to fill out your prescription for the voucher program. Let's start with the basics. OD stands for right eye, OS stands for left eye, OU stands for both eyes. Next, we move on to sphere, represented by SPH. That stands for nearsighted, represented by a negative sign or no sign at all, or it represents farsighted, which is represented by a plus sign. ADD stands for the amount of power that gets added to the distance prescription. This creates your reading-only prescription, or for the lower portion of your bifocals. CYL stands for the cylinder, which is the amount of astigmatism correction. Axis tells you which way the astigmatism is oriented. PD stands for pupillary distance, which is the measurement in millimeters between pupils. Now, it is time to fill out the voucher. Go to www.neweyeglasses.org to get started. Once you're on the site, go ahead and find a frame you like. We're going to go with a random frame just for an example. Once you've picked out your frame, go ahead and fill out your voucher number and your first and last name. Make sure your first and last name match the exact spelling on your voucher. Once that is filled out, go ahead and fill out your address, along with your phone number and email address. Now that everything is filled out, go ahead and press Continue. It is time to fill out your prescription information. First, choose between single vision and bifocal. If you selected bifocal glasses, they will be line bifocals, not progressive lenses. Now fill out the right eye with your sphere, cylinder, and axis. We've made an arrow to show you what these numbers would look like on your prescription. Next, fill out the same information for the left eye, starting with sphere, cylinder, and axis. Next, we have the ADD portion. Fill out the number written on your prescription. This number will range from +1 to +3.5. Once that information is filled out, see if you have prism values written on your prescription. Click Yes if you have this information written on your prescription and fill it out accordingly. Or leave it clicked on No if you do not see any more information written on your prescription. Lastly, fill out the PD or pupillary distance. The eye doctor may record the PD as either single or dual. Alternatively, you can follow the How Do I Get This link to measure your own pupillary distance if the doctor has not measured it out for you. Hit Continue once you've completed this step. Before hitting the Submit button, it is imperative to go back and double-check that everything was filled out correctly according to your voucher and your prescription. Once everything checks out and is correct, go ahead and submit. Thanks for listening.